Hey, Walter here. I'm going to share with you a very interesting system. So let's say that this is the 4-hour pound chart and I'm in Forex Tester. Let's say that you were interested in trying to capture a big chunk of the week's move. Well, how would you go about that? Well, first of all, the best looking weeks would be those that had a big candle. And not only that, for this strategy, the best looking weeks would be those where it was a big like the open and the close were far apart. So I'll give you an example here. So see how the open here, or sorry, the open was down here and then the close was here? That would be a good week. A bad week would be one where the open and the close were pretty much really close together. Actually, got so many trades on here, it's hard to see. Like this would be a bad week. That would be a poor week. But this would be a good week. That would be a pretty good week. That would be a pretty good week, and that might not be so good. So let me share with you how this works. It's called a line in the sand, and what you do is actually let me just find where we're at. Okay, so we'll just go forward here and move the charts a bit, and then just start on a new week. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this line in the sand. This is the line in the sand is actually the open of the week. So on this candle, we can see that the open is at 39.97, and I'll just put this line. I'm just going to make sure it's right on 39.97. By the way, that's 39.98. That's pretty close. If you want to learn how to capture big moves in the market and accelerate an account growth, you can go to the link below this video that will, or maybe above, somewhere around here, and that will give you information about the Small Account Big Profits course, where we're taking this tiny little account and growing it very quickly from 1,000 to 100 grand over 300 trades. That is our goal. So you can join us if you click that link. All the information's there. Okay, so we've got this really, really interesting candle here, very tiny one. And what I want to see is the market going to go up or down? So the market's gone up. So the way it works is you would sell if the market crossed back below there. So I'll actually even put a sell stop right here. And then I'll put my stop loss 70 pips away. But if it might just go up. Let's see. Okay, it does go down. Great. So we're in the trade here. I don't know what. So my stop loss is up here. I'll put that red line there so you guys can see that. Now, if it comes back up, I will buy. Okay, so I'll put a buy stop on the other side there. And again, I'll put a 70 pip stop loss. So I give myself 2 trades for the week, and that's it. If it doesn't hit my buy, if it doesn't cross, then that's fine. But if it does, I'll get in the trade. This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. So this will be the whole week. From here is the open of the week, and here's the okay. There it is. So you can see here the way that this works is we've got our. I want to show the open positions. Here's our trade. So the trade's up, and I'm just going to close it out because it's the end of the week. Well, it's actually the next week. This is actually the first candle of the next week. So I would do the same thing. And that's how the line in the sand works. All you're really trying to do is capture the bulk of the move. So you can see the only bit of the move I didn't get was the upper wick of the week, which was up here, and the lower wick of the week, which was down here. It's a very simple strategy. I think you should test it and see how it works. If you'd like to join us in Small Account Big Profits and see strategies like this, where we take our little $1,000 account and grow it quickly, click the link below. Otherwise, I'll catch you in another video. See ya. Bye. Have a good one.